Today we're making yellow split pea soup. We have a packet of split peas, 14-ounce packet. We have 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of curry powder and turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and cayenne pepper. We have some chopped onions and scallions and basil. We have about 7 to 8 peeled red potatoes, 3 chopped celery stalk, 2 veggie Maggi cubes, 6 chopped carrots. We have for our dumpling, we have about a cup of flour and a half cup of cornmeal. We're gonna make cornmeal dumpling. And you're gonna need about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Get your ingredients together. Let's get started making our yellow split pea soup. Have your soup pot ready. Add in your 1/4 cup of olive oil in your pot. And make sure you wash out your split peas properly. Add in your onions, scallions, and we add in some chopped garlic in there. Add your basil spice in as well. Add your thyme in there. Add your turmeric, curry powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper in there. Give it a good stir. Add your split peas. Split peas is high in fiber, protein, vitamins. It lowers cholesterol levels, reduces your cancer risk, especially breast and prostate cancer. It regulates your blood sugar levels. It improves your heart health. It promotes a healthy weight and helps with anyone with IBS. We're going to add in about 8 cups of water into our yellow split pea soup. Stir well. Make sure your stove is on a medium heat and have this boil for about 30 minutes until your peas have softened. So while our split pea soup is getting soft, we're gonna prepare our cornmeal dumpling. Add in your flour and your half cup of cornmeal. Have about 2 teaspoons of salt. Excuse me, 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of salt in here. And have about a half cup of water to aid in your mixing process. Gradually add your water in. When you're making your dumpling, you want to have a tight knead. You don't want the dough to be too soft. Let your dough sit until you're ready to add it into your yellow split pea soup. Cover up with a damp paper towel. Your yellow split peas is beginning to soften, so let's add in our veggie Maggi cube, our carrots and celery. Stir your pot. Add in your potatoes. Let cook for 5 minutes before you add in your dumpling. It's been about 5 minutes, so we're gonna add in our cornmeal dumpling. Remember, get a nice roll on there. And we also added 1 tablespoon of salt. Season for taste. Add in all the dumplings and make a good stir and have sit for another 15 minutes until your ingredients are nicely cooked. Our yellow split pea soup is coming along nicely. 5 more minutes. Our yellow split pea soup is ready for you to enjoy. Nutritious, healthy, wholesome, appetizing. Won't you enjoy a bowl of yellow split pea soup today? Thanks for watching.